Hi guys, I'm Jess, and this is my golden retriever Hudson. We've been living out of the back of my 2017 Hyundai Tucson, camping, traveling, cooking, and exploring all over the US. If you love the outdoors and want to see our adventures roaming the country and discovering some really cool places, please like, subscribe, turn your notifications on, and continue watching. Letting Hutz have his breakfast, enjoying the views. Ooh. After he eats, I think I'm gonna make us lay back in bed for like another hour because I'm still tired. So Hudson and I have just been hanging at camp and we got some cows moving through back here. He was staring at something and I was like, what are you looking at? He was out there watching the cows. He wasn't too close to them, but it's pretty neat to have him right in our backyard basically. Huh? Yeah. It's a cloudy day. We have not really done anything today. I've just been trying to get some stuff uploaded to Google Photos. And I've been listening to some podcasts. Kind of just taking the day off and relaxing. We're probably going to run to town to grab some food at some point. Maybe we'll do that soon. But this is my little setup. I've just been sitting in this chair out here, letting him run around, giving him some enrichment activities. Filled that like Kong thing with some kibble. And had him do this like little puzzle where I put these pieces in and hid some food there. So he's been having a pretty good morning. Hudson and I are heading out. We're gonna go grab some food and hope that this spot is still here when we come back. It's about 11 o'clock right now on a Friday, so hopefully we can do this pretty quick. Get back and still have our spot. We're gonna try. We just got a freaking feast of food from McDonald's. Look at this bag. We got hot and spices, McDoubles, chicken nuggets, and a Diet Coke. Because health, you know. No, we're gonna hopefully get our spot back at camp and then I'll take him on a walk. But I didn't feel like cooking and I just got some McDonald's. Not the healthiest choice, but that's what we're going with today. I'm pretty excited about it. Pretty much back at camp, just got to turn in over here, let these couple cars scoot by us, and then drive like 4 miles up this dirt road. This is our spot, baby. Still here. Still here, baby. Still here. Nice. I'm freaking pumped that this spot is still here. It's so awesome. It is back in here, so sweet. We got it. Now let's eat some McDonald's. To be honest, I already ate most of the sandwiches, so time to eat some nuggets. Check out the sky, boys. Ooh, these nuggets. What kind of sauce do you guys get? I went with sweet and sour. Nothing like a McDonald's nugget. So good, dude. Gotta share some of this with Hudson. Finally getting my lazy butt up and taking this buddy walking. He's pretty happy. Haven't done my daily feelings update. Feeling good today, but lazy. After yesterday, I just kind of feel like bumming it around today, so that's what I'm doing. I am walking Hudson right now, but we've been hanging out at camp this morning. I've been backing stuff up on Google Photos and listening to some podcasts. Just having like a nice relaxing day. Then we ran and grabbed some McDonald's, which honestly, I don't think we needed the McDonald's, but we ate it. Mostly me. Hudson had a couple bites. Gonna try and not have fast food for like the next month and just cook all my stuff. That's what I should have done today, but I was lazy, so I didn't. Feeling pretty good mental health wise though. Just enjoying the day, enjoying being at this campsite, viewing these rocks. The sky has gotten very dark and cloudy. Are you camera shy? No? We're all climbed in for the night. Hi, buddy.